So once you get your prompt response, what you can also do is select out a particular portion and then regenerate that portion as you like as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, tell me about Mumbai city in brief right here, just like this, and I'm going to press enter. So once I go ahead and do that right here, then you can see that I get some information around over here. Well, let's say, for example, in case of the challenges, I want to change how this actually is generated. So what you can do right here is you can simply select it and you get this option right here called modify selected text. Once you do that, you can go around and regenerate it, make it shorter, longer, or remove it out. Let's just go around and regenerate this out right here, and you can see that it simply regenerates that particular option right here, just like this. You can also go around, modify it out, and let's go around and make it longer right here, just like this. And now it is longer, as you can see, just like this. Let's just go around over here and make it shorter right here. So let's just go around, make it shorter right here, and now it is shorter. You can also, let's just go around, select out all of these right here, and let's just go around and make it shorter around over here, and it is shorter. Let's make it further shorter right here as well. So let's just go around, make it shorter right here, and it is shorter right here, just like this. You can select out all right here, and let's just go around over here and make it longer right here as well, and that is longer, simply just like that. So now let's just go around over here and select this part out, and you can modify it and remove that particular response as well, or you can select these out right here, just like this, and then let's say, for example, go around, remove that particular sentence as well, and modify how what result that you what result you get in the prompt response, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can modify out the selected text inside of a Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.